Today in this video we are going to learn how to back up with the all-in-one plugin. Then you will log in with your login details. After login, you will see your WordPress dashboard. You will see login in the dashboard. Go to the plugins option. Here you can see all your plugins. You will see Add New button next to plugins at the top. Press the Add New button. Here you can see the search button on the top right side. Press the search button. Search by typing all-in-one. If you search for all-in-one, you can see it. There is a plugin called All-in-on WP Migratio. Click Install now. Click Active. After activation, you will automatically go to the plugins section. You will see an option called All-in-one WP Migration at the bottom left of the dashboard. If you hover All-in-one WP Migration option, then we'll see Backup option. Choose this below. Click Backup. Click Create a new backup. You can see that a new backup is being created. After a while, the backup will be created. The database, plugin, theme, uploads, and folder will be merged. Wait a while. You can see that the backup is complete. You can see that the backup size. Click Close button. The backup that is on top is now created. Click on the three dots next to the cup to see Restore, Delete and Download options.